So I woke up this morning to this god-awful sound, and I was trying to record it, but my phone is getting all sorts of messed up. That's another story for another time. But anyway, I'm vlogging here. Say good morning, everybody. There you go. So I was trying to record it, but my phone isn't working at the moment. I wanted to do a little demonstration for you guys. The sound went a little something like this. And I pretty much woke up like this. What is that noise? What was that, honey? Was that funny? He thought it was funny. At least I have one fan. Technically 2 fans. Ball in the baby ball. Yeah. No, he stole the baby ball. Why do you still have a happy face? He stole your baby. He stole your baby. Oh, you giving it back? Oh, the baby fell. Okay guys, today is the day. Today is the day that I see what all this insanity stuff is about. So I have just finished doing my stretches, and I should probably set this stuff up before I set you guys down. I'm gonna set this up one-handed. I can do it. I'm crazy trying to find the fitness and all, and then I said, you know, Xbox Fitness, and it took me right to it. I forget that you can talk to the thing. No! Cancel! Okay, now where are you? Insanity! Maybe? Well, he got me to the fitness. So I just got it set up. I'm gonna start it. Show me what you got, dude. It definitely looks like they're working out pretty hard. Oh yeah, they're jogging. It definitely looks like might get some insane workout. Oh, now they're jumping. Okay. Oh. Okay. I actually am gonna start Insanity. I just thought that would be a funny little number. I actually restart this and try this thing out. Oh my god, I'm tired. He wants to see you with the hat on. Hey, hello? No, don't take it off yet. We gotta record you with it. Yeah, do it too. I was editing the video today, and I would have had it up a lot earlier, but in the middle of editing it, after editing it for 2 hours, because Connor conveniently took a 2-hour nap, the program decided to freeze on me. And then it didn't even ask me if I wanted to shut it down. It just said it wasn't responding, and then it shut down. And 2 hours of editing lost. So I had to do it all over again. And don't break that. He uses anything as drumsticks, and he uses anything for a drum. He likes to do that. He's doing that with his Legos now too. He's gonna be my little drummer boy. But anyway, now I got the drummer boy song stuck in my head. Ba-dum-ba-bum-bum. Well, yeah, I had to start all over again after, you know, a little bit of freak out, a tear here and there. Thankfully, I actually got it done, as opposed to the past couple of days where I hadn't posted the videos until about 10 o'clock at night. But it feels good. It feels good to have the video up You know, I was hoping I could have it up by noon. Couldn't, but at least I had it up by 4, I believe. I think it was 4. That's still a lot earlier than the past couple of days. You're already sleepy? You want to show everybody your ball? Say, okay, well you dropped your ball. You can't show everybody your ball if you dropped it. You want to show everybody? Say, look at my cool ball. It makes lights. Okay, that works too. I'm in the middle of cooking his dinner, so I'm waiting for that to boil, which is, it looks like it's boiling over now. Don't boil over. And stop glaring. Ah, glare. Okay. Gotta turn that down. Yeah. Making him sweet potatoes with the different mixed veggies. So that's boiling. Still have a mess in the kitchen, but at least it'll get cleaned soon. Okay. Alright. Make a mess while mommy's clean. That's what they do best.
Time for another iteration of stories while making dinner. Tonight, we are making
turkey burgers.
That's what my voice sounds like when I try and explain stuff. So when I want to exclaim something, my voice turns like that. So, like if I wanted to point to Dr. Pepper and exclaim that it was Dr. Pepper, I'd throw the camera at it and go,
Dr. Pepper.
See? Just how my voice works. So, making turkey burgers. They're pretty big and gonna be delicious.
They smell good. Smell-o-vision!
Just like that. So, story time. Yay. Driving home from work, had to do some errands. Excuse me while I flip my burgers. Just went to Babies R Us to pick up some more lotion, a new bib, and some more socks, because he has no more socks. They're doing road work. 2 points. Point 1. It's raining out. Construction workers should not work. At least outside. That's my point of view. 2. They took 2 lanes of traffic and merged it into one lane. And that not only just backed up everywhere, but you know how it is. They do construction, and they always got to take it down the one lane. It's something you can't avoid when you're working on a road. But I lied. There are 3 points, and this is point 3. They did it during after work rush hour. Shaking for the emphasis. They did their work after work rush hour. This is the stuff you're supposed to do while nobody should be out. Granted, the state is so small, even when you think nobody's out, everybody and their brother's mother is out. Fun parts of living in a small state. So, that just creeped me out. One day she's gonna do that, and I'm just gonna like flail backwards and break her nose or something. I'm gonna feel horrible. Why? Why? It was 4:50, but 4:50 after work. You don't do that. People need to get home, like me. I wanted to get home because I bought him a brand new bib. My assistant, it's after hours, so she goes at her own pace. A brand new bib, because he only has technically 1.5, because the Velcro on that one, if you can see it, went to shiz. Yes, I said shiz because we're keeping it family friendly.